We're on 4 and 5 on the 2-1F lesson, which is algebraic expressions with real-world contexts. It says, Tim took his friends to the movies. He bought 3 movie tickets that each cost X dollars. So 3 movie tickets, each cost X dollars. He also bought 1 tub of popcorn that costs $5. A, the unknown quantity is X equals, it says dollars, each cost X dollars. Oh, that was the movie ticket. So the cost of a movie ticket. All right, pretty much it gave me that, but I just needed to specify dollars. What dollars? Is it the popcorn or the tickets? And it was the cost of a movie ticket. B, we're going to write an algebraic expression that represents the amount of money Tim spends. It's going to use X. And by the way, if you're like, man, I'm kind of confused. Well, you can actually start with C and then go back to B. So if one ticket costs $8, let's think about this because it might actually help us figure out B. He's buying 3 of these, plus he's buying 1 tub of popcorn, which is $5. So that is $24 plus $5 for a total of $29. All right, so I already know this answer, so that's kind of good. All right, now I want to go up here and I want to make an expression that when I plug in $8 for X, I get this answer of $29. So let's actually look at this as like the framework. Before on B, we didn't know the cost was $8. So it was 3 tickets at X dollars each. X was the cost of a ticket, plus the tub of popcorn. That's it for this. We're done. Let's double check. So if we take this and we write it down here, 3x plus 5, and we plug 8 in for x, do we get the same answer, 24 plus 5, that we got before, 29? We do. All right. So feel free, if you are stuck, you can go to the next part and then go backwards to the other part. Number 5. In the NBA, the length of a basketball court is 44 feet longer than the width. Here's a picture of a rectangle, length and width. Length is usually longer. If the width is W, write an expression that represents the length of the court. So I need something for the length of the court. So I'm going to put length equals, I'm going to think about it. I'm going to go on to B for a second as I think. The unknown quantities are W equals width. Okay, so W is the width. And I need something for the length. 44 feet longer. So I need to think to myself, am I going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? 44 feet longer. If somebody's 44 feet taller or 44 inches taller, you would add 44. Okay, so this is the width plus 44. And then this is W plus 44. All right, now we're going to calculate the perimeter, which is the distance around. There's 4 sides. You can use this formula, which requires that you distribute. Or another way is you just put 4 blanks for the 4 sides, and we fill in the stuff we know. We know the width is W, W and W. This is width. This is width. And then we know that the length is W plus 44. We had that up here, and W plus 44. We're on the home stretch. Stay with me. All right, next we're going to combine all of this. So we have how many W's when we simplify this? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 W. We're combining like terms. And then we're combining 44 and 44, which is 88. All right, last thing is we're going to plug in a number into this like we did with the last problem, which was about Tim. And it says if the width of the basketball court is 50. So if W is 50, we're going to plug in 50 here. So 4 times 50 plus 88 is 200. Feel free to use a calculator. Plus 88, which is 288 feet. 288 feet. We can also backpedal and think about how could we have done this if we got stuck on parts C and D. It says that the width was 50. Let's see if we can double check this. So if this is 50 and this is 50, we're up to 100. And then it told us that the length was 44 feet longer. 44 plus 50 is 94. And that would be 94. And if we add up all these values, it does equal 288. Perimeter is distance around the shape.